everyone, I'm Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because GatorMom on YouTube and I are exchanging gifts. So we are both doing like a Christmas unboxing for what we sent each other. So definitely go check out her video. I'm gonna link her right over here for you guys and you can just go see what I sent her. But I have a box from her here that just arrived yesterday and I'm super excited. You guys know I love unboxing stuff and especially presents from my friends. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys aren't already following Ashley, who is GatorMom, then I highly suggest that you guys do because she has a lot of great content, a lot of bag reviews and cooking stuff and hauls and stuff like that. So if you like that type of thing, then I think you definitely like her channel. All right, so here we go. There's a card on top. We'll start with that. She used some really cute paper. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and read it. So it says, Kate, I just love doing box swaps with you, especially around the holidays. I hope you love everything I picked out for you. Pretty sure you will, since we're like the same person. Can't wait to see you and the fam. We're actually going to be seeing each other next Sunday. We're going to Legoland in Florida together, so I am super excited. I love when I get to see her when I go down to Florida, so. Alright. Let's go ahead and get started. Start with this first thing on top here. Feels like it's bubble wrapped, which means it's delicate. So let's see what it is. I really like the paper you used, Ashley. That's really cute. Ooh, that sounds yummy. All right, so it's a jam. I had to read it through the bubble wrap for some reason. Hopefully I don't wake up my son. He's taking a nap with all these bubbles popping. This sounds amazing. It's by Stonewall Kitchen. It says creators of specialty food, raspberry peach champagne jam. So, all right, this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. I want to open it so I can smell it, but at the same time, if I open it, then I have to use it. So I'm not gonna do that right now because we're actually getting ready to go on vacation. So it looks like it's gonna smell amazing though. It looks really good. All right, so I got that. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this because I can already see what it is and I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and use my scissors to open this one. Might be a little faster. This is so cute, I love this. Okay, so if you guys have been around my channel for a long time, you know I'm a military wife. So I've been a military wife for 13 years and she got me this military wife Ray Dunn mug. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use it. Actually, one of my subscribers sent me a military mom mug not too long ago and I absolutely love that one too. So now that I have two, I'm like super excited. All right, let's see what else I have in here. It looks like some really cute stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Feels hard. Not sure what this is. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so cute. I'm actually thinking about red trucks for my tree. So it's a little ornament, a little wooden one. You guys see that? It's got a little truck, like a farmhouse truck, and then it has a Christmas tree in it. I cannot wait to put this on my tree. It is so cute. So it's like metal and wood. I love that. Thank you, Ashley. It's so cute. All right, so next, I wonder if this is chocolate. I love chocolate. Maybe it's not. Where do you find this stuff? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love these. Oh, I love these so much. Look at you guys. She got me a Ray Dunn pen set. And I love it. One says take note, one says doodle, and the other one says brainstorm. I love this. It's so cute, and especially since I bought a new desk, and I'm gonna be able to have my desk set up with my new pens. I'm super excited. I love those, thank you. Oh, she got this too. You got so many good things. All right, so there's stuff on the inside. This is so cute. Oh, I'll go through that first. Ooh, I love love my Perfectly Posh stuff. This is a big fat yummy hand cream, and it is the Brazilian bombshell. Toasted Brazil nut, coconut cream, and vanilla. Here we go. I'm gonna, ooh, it's got a thing on it. I have to smell this though because I love their hand cream. And if you guys don't already follow Ashley on her Perfectly Posh page, I'm gonna link that down below for you guys as well. I love Perfectly Posh stuff, so I'm gonna smell this. That smells good. Go ahead and put a little bit on so I can smell better. That smells good. Thank you, Ashley. I love it. I love their hand cream. Got a little bit more. Alright, so there's the paper. And so it came in this little bag along with some of these. Oh, I love these masks. Okay, so I have a charcoal paper mask by Yes2 and an ultra hydrating paper mask by Yes2. So this is what they look like. Also, if I didn't show you guys that hand cream, it looks like this. They have a whole bunch of different hand creams on the website, so make sure you guys go check that out. They're super moisturizing and they all smell amazing. Plus, with my eczema, it actually doesn't bother me at all, so if you guys have a similar problem, you guys would definitely want to check those out because it still smells good and doesn't irritate your skin, which is super important to me, so I absolutely love this. She finds all the best stuff. So it's a Bangs zippered pouch by Rae Dunn. Isn't that cute? Like, our TJ Maxx's out here have like nothing to choose from. It's so sad, but hers has tons of stuff, so I'm always really excited when she finds extra things for me. Thank you, I love that. How cute is this? Oh, I love it. It's an oven mitt and a new hand towel, and I love this type of material for hand towels because they dry really fast and they're super absorbent too. But it also comes with this great oven mitt, and I actually needed more oven mitts, so. It says, I just want to watch Christmas movies and bake stuff. That's pretty much true. I love that, and there is one last thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the box. Okay, what's in here? I think it's food, and oh. You know I love Andy's mints. Whenever we go to Olive Garden together, I like stock up on the Andy's mints. Okay, so there's stuff together, but I have to see what these are. Ooh, this one is Peppermint Crunch Thins. I didn't even know they made these, but I love peppermint so much. These, I'm gonna be in trouble because I can't stop popping the Andy's mints once I open them. And then this one, Mint Cookie Crunch. Oh my gosh. You're trying to make me fat, aren't you? I don't mind though. These are gonna be so good. So I absolutely love everything that she sent because she knows me so well. As she mentioned in the card, we're basically the same person. Like, everything I like, she likes. Everything she likes, I like. It's really fun to pick out presents for her. So I got my Andy's mints. Just to recap on what I got a hand towel set with the mitt. I got the Perfectly Posh hand cream, this delicious looking raspberry peach champagne jam, and I got the Things pouch, super cute. I got these two face masks. I can't wait to use those. I'm obsessed with these pens. I love these. I think out of everything, these are like my favorite because I've never seen them before, and they're really cute. So, and then I got my military wife mug that I'm super excited to drink out of. And then I also really love this because I'm looking for new ornaments for my tree because I'm starting from scratch, and this is perfect, like perfect. I love it. Thank you so much, Ashley. I love it. And I hope you guys will go check out what I got for her. I will definitely link that down below for you guys. You can pop over to her channel and check that out. And definitely subscribe while you're there. And if you're not already subscribed to me, please click that subscribe button up there and turn on notifications. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.